Hey, it's Javier from the TST20, and today I'm over at Vision Park Family Eye Care in West Des Moines to talk about sports vision performance training with Melissa Billing. Let's go over and say hi to her.
Hey, how are you?
Hi, Melissa. It's very excited to see you. You were on our show a couple weeks ago, and today we're in your office here in West Des Moines to talk to you about the sports performance training that you guys do here in your office.
Correct. You know, Vision Park has been offering vision therapy to patients since 1929, and sports vision training is something that we just implemented into our practice. We're one of the only offices in Central Iowa that even has it. So we're super excited. I'd like to come back and see our clinic.
All right, let's go check this out. All right, Melissa, you got me all ready to go with my tennis shoes, and I'm ready to do this. So tell me where we're at and what we're going to do.
You're right in the middle of our vision therapy training center that we have here at Vision Park Family Eye Care, but specifically doing our sports vision training. Today we're going to do a baseline evaluation on you with a synaptic sensory trainer. This is the same system that most Major League Baseball players use, NFL, Major League Hockey, all of this. And so we want to make sure you're using the same exact equipment that all these professional athletes are using. So you want to give it a try?
Let's do it.
All right, have you come right over here. The first test we're going to be doing is eye-hand coordination. When you see the yellow light, I want you to reach out and touch it. You want to do it as quick as you can. And what this is doing is testing how your eyes are guiding your hands where they need to go. As an athlete, we want the eyes leading the hands. The quickness of this can determine the difference between winning a ball game or not when seconds actually count. All right, so what we're doing right now is the quick board. This is actually going to be testing your eye-foot speed, okay? So what you're going to want to do is when you're looking at the board up here, anything that's green, you're going to touch the corresponding dot with your foot. Anything that's red, you don't. So you're deciding whether you go or you don't go. All right? Okay, ready?
Yes. Oh man, I'm like nervous. Oh, it's just
All right. You want to go as quick as you can. Now this is important especially for basketball players, for soccer players, people who have to be looking at what's going on in front of them, but also reacting, especially with their feet, okay? And it looks like we may need a little bit of work on that.
There wasn't a lot of speed going on there.
Okay, Javier, we're back over at the Synaptic Sensory Trainer. This time we're going to do the no-go, no-go, just like we did with your feet, with your hands and your eyes, okay?
Here we go.
So again, if the objects are yellow, you hit it. If they're red, you do not. Whenever you're playing a sport and there's multiple things going on around you, you have to decide whether you need to react to it or not. Let's say you are a shortstop and you're wondering if that runner is going to be stealing second or not. You need to be able to be watching the pitch, watching what the catcher's doing, and watching that runner all out of your side vision and deciding whether you need to react or not. Is this one a little bit more difficult than the last one?
Yes.
Yes. What makes it difficult?
I gotta be able to know what to go and when not to go.
Correct. All right.
All right, Melissa, you got to tell me what this is, because I know I haven't really scored out of the park on the last two tests, but this looks like I'm going to have to do some movement.
So this is the FitLight system. We can set up the FitLights any way that we want to in any configuration to help an athlete with their particular sport. The way we have it set up for you would be somebody who is, let's say, a soccer goalie, a basketball player, even a baseball player, all right? Anytime that you see one of these lights flashing, you need to reach your hand and kind of swipe over it to turn it off. And we're gonna see how your peripheral vision is doing along with your eye-hand coordination.
I don't want to laugh, but I don't want to put you through the wall. There's a good chance you're
Well,
going to
you know what, we'll see. All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. As soon as you see the blue, get over there and, whoops, where's it at? Side vision. There you go, test your peripheral vision. So again, lots of things going on. You have to be looking for the ball as your body is in motion and getting ready to recenter yourself. So that's what the FitLights are important.
Alex, you found my weakness?
So again, if you're a baseball catcher, for instance, we can actually set these down a little bit lower so that you're kind of going out of your zone to reach a ball. But again, soccer goalies, they can be kicked anywhere. Yeah.
I'm sweating.
So out of the 10 training modules that we can do on here, I'm going to do one more on you today, the perceptual training one. So what's going to pop up is a picture right in the middle of there, and you have to pick which picture it was that popped up. So click your button of what you think it was. Okay?
So thank God you're here.
So you're looking at it now, and now you see a square. Which one was the square? Perfect. So So you're getting, whenever you're playing a sport, sometimes you only get that glimpse second of an object, and you need to be able to take that in and process it. So continue on.
This is the only one. There you go.
Yeah, we'll start you back easy again and build you back up. Okay, now, some of the best athletes that I've seen can do 5 or 6 multiple objects at a time, tracking where they're at. So you're using your central and peripheral vision at the same time and trying to integrate that. So Javier, synaptic strobe glasses are some of the most important tools that we have for sports vision training, no matter what sport that you do, because what it does is slows down the game. It takes away what you are seeing to allow you mentally to visually process what is going on. You can see the strobes turn the vision on and off and on and off. And so what you can't see, especially when you're performing as an athlete, it's 100 degrees outside, you're tired, the first thing that's gonna go is your vision, all right? And we're teaching you how to work through that when you don't have all of the visual information. So I'm gonna have you put these on. I'm gonna kind of show you some of the activities we could do with strobes, all right? You ready? Now take the glasses off.
What happens if it doesn't get any better?
See how much easier that is? Now put the glasses back on. Okay. All right. So Javier, did you have fun back in our sports vision training?
I did. I can tell you, I put on a little sweat back there because I felt like you were really coming at me hardcore. I'm just giving you a hard time.
Well, you have a little taste of what actually we do. When athletes do come in for our sports vision program, the evaluation itself usually takes about an hour.
Okay.
And then what we do is give everybody a customized report. We put them against major league athletes and also high school athletes to show them areas of where we can have opportunities to work, whether it is the eye-hand coordination, whether it's depth perception, contrast sensitivity, go, no-go reaction time, all of those skills that we tested back in the clinic.
Melissa, I want to thank you for your time today. So if somebody has that student athlete who's ready to go to the next level, how can they get a hold of you and start this process?
Well, we do all of our evaluations at Vision Park Family Eye Care. Our website is www.vision-park.com, or you can call our office at 515-270-2490.
Thank you again, Melissa.
Very nice having you. Thanks so much.